All right, this is the 7.6 cubic foot Tipton model EFF-205FA fully automatic high energy centrifugal finishing system.
And let's go on in and again check out maybe the left side first along the front. We got the stainless steel chute coming down here, which is our part chute. None of our water's hooked up yet on the side. Drain is towards the back there by the bucket. And one water push button manual. Come around the front here, take a quick peek inside. This door's going to close on you, so watch out. Media bucket, we do have some media in there. And again, there's the stainless steel tray coming through there. Chain, it's all in nice shape. And of course our drive up on top in the barrel. I can do a couple things manually after you get done panning through here. Come over to the control panel. It's all good through there. And we don't have to do them all, but we can open the doors too at the same. I'm just gonna got a normal run, slow run. That's the 20% slow as we're dumping up on top. So manually we can do just about everything. Run the spinner, run it at slow speed, barrel rollover, run the bucket up and down. And we can do like 2 or 3 of them right now. Like here's normal run. You can hear it. You can't really see it. That's the full, well, whatever. You can hear me change the pot speed here too. That's about 30% right here. We'll leave it there for our auto cycle. Shut that off. And then to bring it right back in on slow speed. That's about 12, in fact it's exactly 12 hertz. We got it set at 20% of full, which is what it's supposed to be. And media bucket up if you just want to pan over this way and open one of these doors and kind of peek in. I'll run it up a little bit here. Chain drive sounds pretty good. Backlash, it's all set pretty good. And run it back onto the switch so we can do an auto cycle. It'll stop on itself, by itself. That's happy. And then of course the separator. You can't really see it, but you can sure hear it because that's the whole vibrator motor taking off. And we'll shut that off. That's good to go. And we'll flip over to auto cycle now, and we'll start it from here, and maybe you can go around the back with the camera, because the first thing that happens is the drain open, not the drain, the water turns on for a few seconds, and then the bucket will come up. So we'll just switch over to auto right here. Separator still winding down. There it is, it finally stopped. Now we're on auto. I'm gonna hit auto start in a second. It'll take over on its own. Meanwhile, we can come around the side here, show the electric panel, frequency drive, a couple of relays, and of course the PLC. All pretty much standard with our documentation. We do have schematics, and we've got one operator handbook in there, so we're good to go insofar as documentation is concerned. Come across to the right, we do have the cover off here, just to show the chain drive. I wanted to check a few things out, so it's still off to the wall here when you go to your right a little bit. Wash solution is over on the side. These couple lines will plug into the cover when we go on, and of course there's the barrel. So go on up, and when you get to the top, I'm going to hit auto cycle start. And first thing that'll happen is the water timer starts. So I'm going to hit it right now. Cycle start. Timer's on. We wait a few seconds, you can hear it clicking. The water timer's on, the pump is on. It goes for about, I think it's set for about 40 seconds. And then I lowered the process timer down to a minute. It should be hours. I'll probably forget to change the units back to hours, but easily changed. So after the timer's finished, we'll start load. The hopper will come up, we'll load. Happening pretty soon here. I think I had it set for 45 seconds maybe. There we go. Here comes our bucket. process. And then we'll go into the 3 repeats. It'll dump 3 times. Goes a little bit at a time, just dumps 3 times and then gets out of there. Then we go into the shower rinse. 1, 2, and we're on slow speed now. 3, that's good. Slow speed on the spinner. That's the shower rinse. This would all be on right now. Hopper goes back down to loading position. And now this will come level to the running position before it speeds up. Then it'll speed up to whatever I have it set on the pot, which is maybe half speed. There we go. Levels off. I think now this is what I've got set for maybe 1 minute. This would be hours typically, but I've got it set for 1 minute for the sake of our video. I will time out after about a minute, then we'll go to slow speed and it'll start dumping. Now we got the, I don't know if you can hear it, but the motor's on right now down here. The valve is opening. Now the drain valve opens. I think we've got it set for about 40 seconds. There, just shut off. Now the valve's open. It's going to stay open. All the water would be draining out right now. So wait a few seconds for that to time out. And then we'll start dumping the barrel. That might have been 45 seconds, I'm not sure, so hang on there. It takes a while for all that water to get out that we don't have in here. There we go. Now we're dumping. Now if you heard the separator come on, that's on downstairs, that's running. And the showers would be on right now. These 2 showers right here would come on in a minute. 2 spritzers. That's all that. And then we'll slowly inch now. We'll watch a few inches here, then we'll go down and look on the side and go around the front. We'll be dumping media here pretty soon. And this is all settable by the customer, but this is a basic program. Runs pretty good. This will go all the way to 180, upside down. That's with the spinner going 20%. Down here now, slowly. Watch the chain right here. Right through there, yep. And we'll keep going until this pointer here hits the micro switch. And we've got about 90 degrees to go still. You see the whole thing moving. Okay. Coming around the front. The vibrator motor. That's on right now, the separator. Watch the door. There we go. Now that'll keep going for another minute or two. See our two timers working, the process timer and the water timer, they're both on, see? And they'll reset as soon as the cycle's finished. Going back to that. About there, I got about 2 more dips, we should be on the switch, which is just about the right amount of time for all the media to get out. We're set to go here. That's it, timing out now. We'll come back and then the fast rinse comes on at the very end and it returns. There we go. Zoom in on that. Right about the time I think it gets topped, the separator should shut off, and it'll be cycle Separator winds down, and that's pretty close to it there. About the end of it there. Spinner's off. And cycle's finished, auto reset, and we're ready to go right back to another auto cycle right here on auto start. And that's about it for today on this one. It's a good tool.
Nice job.
Sure.